and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be making a new video and I hope you guys enjoy. Also, we have a special guest, Rishi Man 2.0.
Hello guys, and please subscribe Rishi Man 2.0 and help Ajit get 1k subscribers.
Yeah, I am at 8 subscribers right now. Help me get 1k. See you on the video. So guys, I'm putting the capsule in which I can make the coffee. So I've put the capsule right now. And now I'm setting the milk so that it can go directly to the cup. Yeah, and now there are different options and I have chosen cappuccino. Now you can see it's cappuccino. Ajit and welcome back to Ajit, and today I'm going to be making a video, and I hope you guys enjoy.